guys, Clay here with Bryant Brothers Automotive and Performance. I'm coming to you today with Mr. Kelly's 2015 Camaro SS. This is the one that we did the LSA Supercharger on a few weeks back, and he just brought it back in for his final tune. We had the intake pump couldn't quite keep up on the dyno, so we went ahead and installed the Z01 stock fuel pump in it. It does have an auxiliary pump on it as well, but we wanted to go E85 with this one, so we need a little bit more fuel. So but anyway, so we just got it off the dyno. This thing made 805 to the tire, so this is our what we consider our 800 horsepower package. I know we got another video, we'll send you the link down at the bottom, you know, for it, but it's the convertible version of an actual Z01. So but this is a SS manual car, pretty much stock. We did a camshaft you know, a couple years back, set of headers, and he wanted a little more, you know, pep for his steps. So we put the LSA Supercharger on top of it from Boost District, and we did the RotoFab big gulp intake on it, the FIC fuel injectors. This one right here, I mean, we did upgraded heat exchanger. It's a basic build, but it made 805 to the tire, and that's on about 12.5 pounds of boost, so it's not really pushing it, you know, whatsoever. But we do offer this package. You know, if you're interested in something like this, be sure to let us know. You know, this particular one right here, we didn't really intend on making this kind of power. Our goal was around 700, but you know, second pull on the dyno, it made like 740, and we knew it was going to be a hoss. So but prior to all this, you know, putting the supercharger, all that stuff on, we went ahead and did the actually no, we did the clutch. I forgot about that. Yeah, so this one, he actually has a video. He'll drop down here in the link. We posted it on our Facebook page. You know, it started slipping the clutch on the dyno, but just because it started making so much power. And then we upgraded to the McLeod RST clutch. So that's what's in this now. But anyway, super great build. Like I said, you drive this thing anywhere, AC, heated seats, all that good stuff, make 800 to the tire. But this is a killer car, killer build. But once again, we offer this package in case you're interested. You know, just let us know. And but once again, we're going to link the video here in just a second so you can see it rip. And then you know, if you have any questions, feel free to message us.